Dino, Wesson back in here flexing. Alright, I got my second portion of the video today. Let me crack into this box for y'all. We get the show on the road. Show y'all what I got. Alright. Nice. Even off. Pretty cool packaging from Foot Shop. I think it's called Foot Shop. Alright, into this box. See what we got. Alright. This receipt from Foot Shop. Always made up. Got some stickers. Advertisement, Foot Shop, what we've been building up to. These are a box of the also trusty Vans. Let me know how many of y'all out there are some van fans. All right. These are old school Vans, of course. 10.5 is what I rock. Alright, let's get into it. Show y'all what I'm working with. Alright. As y'all can see, it's a color block van. I think it also is Yacht Club. Yeah, I mean, these is clean. This is a cop. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I needed to get these. This is super clean to me. Okay, I was looking for the red part. Alright, yep. Heard the red across the tongue. We got this. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. My camera ended up filling up. My iPod camera ended up filling up on storage before I got to finish this video. So try to continue this with my Galaxy phone camera. These is nice. These are nice. Got a little something right here. I'm pretty sure I can just wipe it off with a hot rag. Nothing crazy. Doesn't seem as bright in color. That's the only thing I can notice. Got the sticker, as you know, color blocking, blue on the toe box, green on the side panel, the signature logo for Van, the yellow on the heel, white midsole, gum bottom, white midsole, gum bottom. It's the white on the inside of the shoe, white sock liner, red insert. White, pretty much white on the bottom, and white on the sock liner, pretty much, and just the logo at the bottom. Got the sticker at the bottom, of course. Inside of the box has the paper. Yep, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna be kind of not being able to use my my laptop for a little bit. Until I'm able to, I'm going to keep shooting videos from either the iPad or my phone camera. Alright, I'm trying to get y'all the consistency that I told y'all I'm going to get. So I'm going to try every means to continue to get y'all this content. Alright, like this comment if this is what y'all like. Let me know if this is what I should keep on doing. Tell me if I should stop doing an unboxing together and just getting better detailed reviews. Comment. Share with a friend. Let's build up the Dino Wesson family. Subscribe. Get in the comment box. Let's talk, like, dislike. All attention is welcome. Not unless it's disrespectful. Let's keep this into a respectful and positive environment. But let me know. Constructive criticism helps me. Somebody say something. I had somebody do a comment and I responded to it. And it was all good. Respectful. Let's keep it going. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright? And like it's always, Dino Wesson out. Let's go.